We're here at Factory 2050, part of the University of Sheffield's Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre for the UK-RAS Manufacturing Robotics Challenge. This is a manufacturing challenge put on as part of UK Robotics Week, organised by the UK Robotics and Autonomous Systems Network in collaboration with the University of Sheffield. Today we have researchers, students and engineers from all over the UK coming together to work on a hackathon style event to develop novel manufacturing technologies.
So the challenge that we're trying to address is to create a robotic assistant that can work alongside operators. So what we envisage is that the operator would ask verbally for a tool or a part. The robot would then look for that part in a tray using a vision system, plan the appropriate move, and then using augmented reality show the operator what it's going to do before it does it.
We're in a group and we've broken up the tasks between machine vision to try and detect where the object is, visual speech recognition to understand what the user is looking for as part of human-robot interaction, and then also controlling the robot so that we can then plan the path from the tool to the human. And finally, we've got a digital twin team who's looking at replicating that within a virtual reality environment so that we can kind of see what the robot is planning to do before it actually does it.
Sheffield's a great place. It's also one of the best spots for manufacturing in the UK. I came specifically to the hackathon because even though I'm doing a master's in robotics, it's not with RAS. It's not with collaborative robots. So this was another opportunity to learn that. And then also I wanted to meet some really kind of inspiring engineers and make some new friends in robotics and in manufacturing.
I just thought it was a great opportunity to use industrial equipment. It's the chance to use what I've learnt at university, try and put it to test.
The thing I most enjoyed was actually the teamwork. We had a great moment today before lunch where we said a couple of commands to the Google API. And we said, OK Google, pick up the hammer, and the robot went there. And that was the first moment that we got the speech recognition to work with the robot. And it was a really good moment with the team. The biggest challenge, I think, was to get two robots working. We got one robot working in the morning, then we moved to the other one. Even if you get one robot working, it doesn't mean the exact same robot by the exact same manufacturer is going to work in the same way. So we learned an awful lot.
I've been really impressed by how all of the engineers have worked together. Very few of them knew each other before they came here today, but they've worked together, they've split up the tasks, they've played to their strengths, and they've really achieved something. I think over the next few years we'll see a lot more robotics and automation in a wider range of jobs. And it's really important for us here at the AMRC to be working with industry in real-world situations to try and find a solution that works and that will bring lasting value, not just to the Yorkshire region, but to the nation.